Hello, Assalamu alaikum viewers. My name is Shadil Khan. So today we discuss about how to add strong password functionality using plugin. Last video we discussed about strong password using PL SQL. So this video I'm using PL's plugin for strong password. Okay. So first of all, I'm logging to my workspace. Okay, first of all, we need to download plugin for strong password. So I'm going Apex World website, and go to the plugin section and type password and FOS advanced password. This is plugin I'm using in my application for strong password. Okay, so this is your simple demo, and now we download this plugin desktop. Okay, download successfully. Now go to the download area, extract file. Okay, so now go to the application, share components, plugins, import, and import this .sql file. Next, and install the application. Install plugin. Now successfully plugin install in your application. Now go to the existing page, 1001. Now go to the check password. Okay, so go to this page and go to the page item and select FOS advanced password plugin. Okay, so and scroll down and set the setting, required minimum length, required number, required special character, required capital letter, show password in straight bar, show caps lock on, any information, any validation enable in your page item. So set the setting. Minimum length 7, define the length of the password. Minimum length message, required number 1, and this is default special characters. If you add any special character, so type the special character in this area. Okay, so any setting you must be change this in plugin. Okay, now save and scroll up, and password rule container, like I'm using external. Okay, now run. So this is your password validation for completed successfully. Now first we Now enter the password normally ABC123. So this validation is performed successfully. Now remaining 3. So must contain at least 7 character. My 7 character password. Now must contain one capital letter. I'm using capital letter. Now must two special character. I'm using two special character. Now successfully submit. Now go to the password area and look at the change. So small character, numeric number, capital letter, special character. Okay. So use a strong password functionality using plugin successfully implement in application. If you need strong password functionality using PL SQL, or if you need functionality perform using plugin, so you install the plugin and perform successfully. Thank you. See you the next video.